In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use playbooks in HubSpot. Playbooks are an invaluable tool for streamlining workflows, maintaining consistency, and ensuring team members are all on the same page. Let's dive into how you can set this up in HubSpot. First off, make your way to the HubSpot homepage. Whether you're a seasoned HubSpot user or you're just getting started, everything you need begins right here. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen for the Login button. Give that a click to enter your HubSpot account. If you're not already a HubSpot user, signing up is quick and easy, and it opens the door to a suite of powerful business tools. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. From here, locate the Library section. This is where HubSpot houses all your resources, so go ahead and click on Library. Once you're in the Library section, find the Playbooks option. It's your go-to area for managing all the playbooks you'll create. Click on Playbooks and you'll be taken to a dedicated space for all things playbook related. Now you're ready to create your first playbook, and the process is straightforward. Look for the Create Playbook button within the Playbook section. Clicking this will bring up a variety of options where you can start drafting your playbook. You might have some initial ideas about what your playbook will entail, whether it's streamlined customer service interactions, standardized sales calls, or even onboarding procedures. After clicking Create Playbook, you have the opportunity to develop a detailed and structured guide that aligns perfectly with your organizational goals. Spend some time crafting the content. Remember, the more comprehensive and clear it is from the get-go, the easier it will be for your team to follow consistently. Once you're satisfied with your playbook content, your next step is crucial. Publish your playbook. Hit the Publish button, and just like that, your playbook is live and ready for your team to use. Publishing is integral as it turns your draft into a usable guide for everyone involved. With your playbook published, you've successfully utilized HubSpot to enhance productivity and coherence within your team. As you incorporate these structured guides into your daily operations, you're setting a foundation for more efficient workflows and reliable results. Remember, playbooks can be continuously updated to adapt to any new strategies or changes in your processes. That's it for today's guide on creating and using playbooks in HubSpot. With these tools now at your fingertips, managing your business tasks can be both seamless and beneficial. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on maximizing your HubSpot experience.